the best place to go is on stage with Vybz Kartel. You know what I mean? If an artist wants to be killed, you can come. That the best place to be is on stage beside Vybz Kartel.
Call out the germs. The community for people.
How Kartel I call germs? Big bad Ninjaman? Vybz Kartel, you're wrong for that. Tonight, today, whenever you're watching this video is a special video. We're going back into Dancehall archive. We're going back into Dancehall vault. Yeah, man, we gotta dig up some video from 2002 or 2003. Vybz Kartel versus Ninjaman clash. Bounty Killer get drawn into it. All kind of things that happen. Of course, this involves Ninjaman, so you know, say bad over the night. So if you're a Christian, skip. If you're a family member, skip. And certainly, if you're my child, please skip it. This video gone raw, gone cha. A lot of Ninjaman fans not gonna like it. Remember the song with Bounty Killer? When name Vybz? You know what? Let's jump into it.
That one then name kill the all again. Kill Gandhi and tell the fool go play ball again. Shoot Ninjaman in the middle of the coke all again. When you now call him out. Say Ninja. Come on, no. Come there like a ball. Where there? Where there? Me gonna say me done with the war. We don't start with alliance, so me come with the war. We don't say me a coke and me a drink white rum with the war. We don't want to black your father till son with you. Hey, Passa. Hold on. Hold on. Ninjaman, you get tackle with the war. This me a see what get tackle with the war. Only a ninja kill a ninja on the pussy them for them. I can't kill ninja pussy one. I can't kill it. What are you? Let me tell Bounty Killer and Vybz Kartel and friend them say, a pay gunshot of fire. Me I tell you that pay gunshot of fire. Mr. Len, me in no peace. No peace, a gunshot of fire. What?
a big Ninjaman fan, but Ninjaman lose the lyrical back today, and Ninjaman lose the physical back today. No joke about it. If I did one-on-one fist to fist, him and Vybz Kartel, probably Ninja would have win still. But boy, then jump Ninja. You think I saw the saga done? Saga just get started. This video is so long that I have to break it up in 3 parts. So today, a part 1, tomorrow a part 2, and the next day a part 3. So just look out for it. Kartel, you're wrong for that, brother. Well, anyways, what Bounty Killer have to say about the whole mix-up and whole saga and whole blender? I remember saying him, Vybz Kartel was on a Bounty Killer umbrella, you know. And at the time, Bounty and Ninja, they have some little fiction go on, and I guess I saw Kartel, they jumping at peanut, I throw me.
Ninjaman have a stage in less than 60 seconds. When them lick him down, you there and watch him go out, you know. You love it, you know, that you everything you want, you know.
I don't want a piece with Kartel. Because I never go on the stage in a while. Him call me name, and normally this is how this thing goes. Whenever time an artist call another artist's name, that means you call him to stage, you invite him for a competition. You never invite him for lick him down, you and your friend them with buckle. You never I invite him for a gang war. And all them artists here, Mr. Leng must know who him a put on his show to, because this incident this morning has spoiled Sting reputation very, very bad.
We must make it clear that Supreme Promotions was not involved in setting up any clash that took place at Sting.
Yeah, well, this is Vybz Kartel, you know what I mean, the press release for Supreme Promotions, and I just like the fans out there to know that, first of all, I got to apologize firstly and foremostly to Ninjaman, Desmond Valentine, who has been really an icon in a dancehall for over like 15 years, and the whole incident is such an unfortunate incident, but we just wish firstly to apologize to Ninjaman. Then to the promoters of the event, you know what I mean, no blame is to really be laid on the promoters of the event, you know what I mean. Then next to the fans of both Ninjaman and Vybz Kartel, to the media and to onlookers, you know what I mean, both here and internationally, because this looks like a really bad time for this to happen in the face of dancehall music now and where it is heading.
Security is supposed to be there to protect the artist. The artist is all booked under Supreme Promotion. You see, if anything happens to Ninjaman, Supreme Promotion is the fault. Yeah? So them have to know, so them have to take some of the blame too. Now the artist, because man a black man, and every man bleed red blood, and every man eat it. So if you push me, I can push you back.
That when get on stage, it's not necessary. But Ninjaman are walk and I look that off stage. That's why those little youth, they are young, you know. They are very young and they are irresponsible. They don't think as far as a bounty killer. So when he mess around Kartel and them little friend them not gonna say avoid him like bounty. Them all run up in hand. So Ninjaman for know. And him friend them when I talk about, me never see none of them on the stage with him. When some little beanie baby like Smurf run out and kick him down. Me never see some little man come out and leng them up, come take him up and leng them say them don't clash it.
It's something that all of us have to look into, this clash phenomenon, because the truth of the matter is you can have lyrical clashes. Unfortunately, they degenerate into other things, and that is the problem. Because as a society all along, that's what we like. You like football contests, cricket contests, so you like the whole question of contests.
I'm not a foolish person, you know. I know when things are planned. Everybody organizes, even from the backstage.
The saga is to be continued. It just get started, as me say. The second part gonna drop tomorrow. But in regards to this last clip where we just watched now, Supreme Promotion, Heavy D and Leng. You see, I think a Heavy D that obviously kind of heavy. Him did a try deflect and I try pull out the promotion out tight, but we did not organize it. Brother, you don't know what go on, just like back in the days, police know who kill who, and then police go kill him and we kill him. You don't know say it gonna happen. And as Beanie Man say, where was the security for the artist them on stage? You see me? So much people not supposed to be on the stage. One artist with 20 man. some of them artists that come like they love man still. And to be fair, I don't know I'm a Ninjaman fan. But to be fair to Vybz Kartel, Ninjaman did push him or chuck him first. And Kartel said, hey boy, where you do? And then I think using the mic and hit Ninjaman. And at the same time, Ninjaman, Vybz Kartel bridging come in and kick Ninjaman. And then when Ninjaman was on the ground, I think Vybz Kartel tried to stamp him or kick him. I don't know if he reach him. But I think of the mic where Kartel they have, I had cut Ninjaman on his nose. But boy, remember this happening back then. It was crazy. See? It was such a big story. We are watching it right now in 2026. I don't know what date we'll be watching it. But yeah, a part of the dancehall history. But you really have to big up Beanie and Bounty. You know? Them two, them clash, them beef, they argue, then do diss track, counteraction for over 30 plus years. And they never get physical. I think Bounty said they pushed Beanie Man one time. But that was it. But anyways, as me say, part 2 coming up tomorrow. And part 3 coming up the day after. It's a whole saga. Beanie Bounty, everybody, Vybz Kartel, everybody. Ninja, kick me. Remember the song? Say them chat from county to county. That's why the toilet paper name Bounty. Kick me, kick down Ninjaman. Bounty are running around when Leonard say, howdy. Anyways, like the video. Stay safe. God bless.